Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch. It's a very easy stitch, 2 rows repeat. This is the front of the work and this is the back. The sides are pretty much okay. It's a very easy stitch. You can do a cardigan, you can do an infinity scarf, you can do a hat. So many things you can do with this stitch. I did this sample with a thin yarn, but I'm gonna show you the stitch with a thicker, so you will see the difference and you choose whatever yarn size you like. Yeah? With this stitch we're gonna chain multiples of 8. I have here multiples of 8. First we're gonna skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook we're gonna put in this 4th chain 9 double crochets. So 1, go back again into the same chain and do the second. So this is the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8, and one more. 9 double crochets in that chain. You're gonna have a lot, so you're gonna have to be careful when you count now to skip, because we put so much in one, you might miss the count. So now depends how long you want the chain. You're gonna make the chain. This is how we're gonna do. So we're gonna skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th we're gonna do a single crochet. Again we're gonna skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th again we're gonna put 9 double crochets. So you're gonna do like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So again, when you reach the end, you're gonna skip the next 3 chains. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, the last chain, you're gonna do a single crochet. It's gonna look like this. Okay, now we're gonna chain 2. So the next row that I'm gonna do, the next 2 rows, these 2 rows, they're gonna be the rows that we're gonna keep repeating. So we're gonna chain 2, turn your work. So in here we have the 9 double crochets, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna start with the first double crochet. So we're gonna do 4 front post double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So take the first one and do a front post double crochet. Move to the second double crochet and you're gonna do a front post double crochet. Third, front post double crochet. The 4th one, chain 1. You're gonna skip, so you are left here with 5, so you're gonna skip the next double crochet. So you're gonna move to the next one. Yeah, skip the next double crochet, and we are left with 4, so in which we're gonna do in each those 4 left double crochet front post. This is the 3rd and the 4th. Okay, yarn over the hook, you're gonna move to the next cluster of the shell here. So again, we're gonna do in the first 4 double crochets, we're gonna do front post in each, we're gonna chain 1, skip the next double crochet, and in the last 4 we're gonna do the same 4 front post. So move to the first double crochet and do a front post double crochet, You move to the next double crochet, front post, the third, the fourth, chain one. We're gonna skip the next double crochet and we're gonna put front post in the last 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, the third, and the fourth. Turn your work. It's gonna look like this. So this row that we just did now and the one that we're gonna start now, these are gonna be the rows that we're gonna keep doing like this. Yeah. So okay, now yarn over the hook. You're gonna skip this and you're gonna go into the first the one chain space here, and we're gonna do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4th. Yarn over the hook. Remember the one that we skipped last row, the previous row, the double crochet that we skipped is right here. So we're gonna do a front post to that double crochet that we skipped from previous row, and we're gonna go back into the same space where we did this first 4 double crochet. In that one chain space you're gonna go back and continue with 4 more double crochet. So this is the second, third, and fourth. Yeah. So now in here we're gonna go right here. We're gonna go here and we're gonna do like a single crochet. So you're gonna skip 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Gonna skip, and into the 4th you're gonna do a single crochet right there. So again, yarn over the hook, and now we're gonna go straight to this one chain space and we're gonna put in there first 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So remember now the double crochet that we skipped, it's right here, it's this one. So we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a front post double crochet. So now we're gonna go back into the one chain space and we're gonna put 4 double crochets in there, right in that space. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again you're gonna skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the chain 2 that we have here we're gonna do a single crochet. So now you're gonna repeat the first row, let's say the second row in a way. So you're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, and we're gonna repeat. We're gonna start with the first double crochet, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna do a front post double crochet. So 1, go to the second double crochet and do a front post double crochet, move to the third, front post double crochet, and this is the 4th, chain 1, and you skip this one. What you skip is the front post from the previous row. Yeah? So you have left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're skipping this and you're gonna go and do the front post in each those 4 double crochet. So this is the second, third, and the last one, 4th. So again you're gonna move to the next shell, yarn over the hook, and the first double crochet I'm gonna do a front post double crochet, 1, move to the second, third, and fourth, chain 1, and now you have the last 4 double crochet. You skip this. What you're skipping is the front post from the previous row. You do front post in the last 4 double crochets in there. So second, third, and fourth. So now you're going to turn your work, and now you're going to repeat the next row, the second row in a way. So again, yarn over the hook, you're going to skip all this, and you're going to go straight into the 1 chain space here, into this space. You're going to do 4 double crochets first, then 3 and fourth, yarn over the hook, and you're going to go below where you have this front post, and we're going to do a front post double crochet. So now you're going to go back into that 1 chain space and put 4 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You're going to skip these 3 double crochets here, and you're going to go into this right here, and you're going to do a single crochet, and you're going to go straight to this 1 chain space, skip this, and you're going to put first 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and fourth, and we're going to go here where we have the front post, and we're going to do a front post double crochet, and we go back into the 1 chain space and put 4 more double crochets in there. So 1, 2 and 4. You're going to skip this, and you're going to go into the chain 2 space, the second chain right there, not space but second chain on top there, and you're going to do a single crochet. Now you're going to chain 2, and you're going to repeat the other row. So what you're going to do, you're going to do 4 front post double crochet, chain 1, because you're going to skip 1 here, the one in the middle, which is the front post here, and then you're going to do the rest 4 double crochets. You're going to put front post double crochet, then you move to the next, and so on, and do the same. It's a very easy stitch. I think a hat, it's nice. Now you might see the difference between the thin yarn and thick. So which one do you think looks nicer, the thicker or the thinner? So this is the back, and this is the front. Yeah, I think it's nice for a for a vest, for a cardigan, a hat. I think it's nice. Yeah. And this is thin. I like the thin too. It's nice. This is the back. Well, give it a try. Some of you might like this stitch, and you're gonna try to do something with this. I like well, I like more the thick one. This one. I think for a hat, for a vest, I think this will look really nice. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.